The showroom had a hierarchy with Mira and Molly at the top, and the girls held formal positions, first, second, third sales, as well as juniors who were entry-level school leavers and trainees on the job. Clients knew the showroom girls by name and were matched with their positions. First sales, like Olga Fay you see here in a photo from around 1950, served Lady So-and-so, the wife of a business owner served by the second, but each client had their favourites, and as they got to know each other it was also the other way round. The girls were paid commission. A good customer meant they earned money on each sale, adding to their personal income and salary, and the more expensive the item, the more commission they earned, as Mirelle's bookkeeper Betty Kitching, called Kitch by the girls, knew very well. Knowing a client was essential, and social connections mattered too. Like personal shopping, aspects of their lives were confided and trusted. All their idiosyncrasies, social lives and plans were brought through the door, which ladies like Maisie Parkes wouldn't do with just anyone. Molly Kidd was said to have an encyclopedic memory for who was going to what social occasion and what ladies bought from the shop, so as not to duplicate outfits. And when Hilary Needler handed the racing trophy in her name to jockey Lester Piggott in this picture, she was probably dressed by Mirelle, wearing a hat to match her impeccably designed and made coat that they would have promised no one else would be seen in when she asked for something new. Tact and discretion like this were integral to the level of custom, and the ladies they served expected nothing less. All the women who shopped at Mirelle had varied commitments and relationships, as well as the need to be clothed, and inside the showroom they found a professional, helpful friendship with a deference, efficiency and care that was unparalleled in Hull for miles around in what was called the county, meaning places like the East Riding of Yorkshire. Customers trusted Mirelle because it sourced clothes hard to find anywhere in Yorkshire or Lincolnshire on the other side of the Humber, and in turn the showroom staff responded to the people they knew, calling clients when they thought they might like a new hat, coat or gown. Through keeping items to one side and buying clothes into the shop with particular people in mind, trust grew, and that generated sales. Even if the client or customer preferred a dress in a different size, the skirt tighter or the hem raised, the partnership between the showroom and the workroom meant their seamstresses took on board any alterations needed, giving the client exactly what they wanted on each shopping trip to town. You'll hear about how important the workroom was in our next introduction, so do subscribe and click the bell notification icon and tell us, what's the most treasured outfit in your wardrobe? And did you pick it out yourself or have help making the decision like the showroom girls did every day with their clients? Let us know in the comments below.